Lexy, and I'm going to show you how you can make your own fireworks. Well, I'll tell you how you can make your own fireworks.
Fireworks? Like explosion?
No.
Explosives?
No. Oh, you first have to pour in this milk. Just like...
Why don't you just explain it once and then we'll do it. So go ahead and finish explaining it.
So you would put it you would put it to there, and then put several drops of food coloring in, and then squirt some soap that's like this, and don't use block soap because it won't work. And as soon as my mom is done going to the bathroom, I will show you how you do this. And the only colors are yellow, green, blue, and red.
Go.
Hi, I'm going to now make fireworks, not explosive fireworks.
Okay.
Half a tray of milk?
Half a tray.
So, what would you say? Maybe a couple quarts? How big is that?
That's like 2 cups.
That's 2 cups of milk? Okay.
Can we do that now?
Well, just a second, Sophie. Let's let your sister do it.
You're going to show us how to do it. Be careful with the food coloring. It will stain stuff.
I know. Come to one nut. Come to one. That. Come to one. Maybe. Like, I want to do blue. Okay. Just 2 drops. Okay.
You don't squeeze, Sophie. You just turn it upside down and it does it.
But not in the same spot. But I'm on the bubbles, okay?
But don't squeeze. All the way upside down.
Sophie, one more right here.
Can you go a little higher, Soph?
There.
She's doing good. Just do not squeeze it too much.
Anyone.
Good job, Sophie. Can I have a high five? Thank you.
I'm going to do green. How about... But then you got to...
That was a big drop.
That was a double drop.
So what's the purpose of putting the drops in there?
Make it too. So you can make... How about you and make it too? I want so you can make good fireworks.
Sophie would like to know if she could do the last color.
Sure, you can do yellow. That's the last color. Yellow just kind of looks like orange. Don't put it in the same spot though. Or on
Find your own
colors.
spot.
Upside down. Don't drop it in.
Just a teeny little squeeze.
Here, I'll get it.
Okay, now Sophie, you can do one down by you.
Right here. How about?
Little squeeze. Oh, good job, Sophia.
Now we are going
Sophie.
to put some soap.
Good job.
Good job.
Your hair got messy all of a sudden.
Okay.
Wait, what's the next thing?
Now, what are you doing here?
I'm going to squirt 2 squirts of soap in here, and then you may see what is the fireworks.
Oh, man!
I did not anticipate that.
Come in, Jake.
Oh, no, let Sissy do the shaking, okay?
Okay. You can put a little more than 7 in at different times. That is.
Okay, so...
Okay, that's cool. Look, it's making a new color. Ooh, that's beautiful.
I want to do another one. That'll be really pretty. I'll do blue. We just
I
did
think
blue.
we should have had some paper towels ready though.
Yeah. No, not at the same time. Only 2 people can go at the same time.
So the soap breaks up the surface tension of the milk and makes it make the food coloring kind of explode in the milk. That is pretty cool. And it kind of does look like fireworks.
No, please.
And nobody gets hurt. Nobody's fingers get blown off.
There may become a point when there's just too much in the tub though.
Now, are we going to drink this when we're done?
No.
Why not?
Because there's soap and you don't drink soap.
Okay,
Put one in there.
that's enough.
No.
Okay, this is the last drop.
No, we need to do red.
Sophie,
Sophie, we already did
look
red.
at it. It's making cool
We just
shapes.
did red. We already did red, Sophie.
So
Sophia,
this looks like
stop.
a very fun experiment for
That
kids
looks like a mushroom.
and parents as well.
And sheep.
And cheap. And you get to do it with stuff you already have in your kitchen. Ooh, look at that.
Oh, very cool over there.
Now you've seen it. It's fireworks that you can make at your own house.
Look at the camera.
Would you give this a thumbs up for a science experiment?
Mhm. I learned it from my own daycare teacher. Coolio.